Alright, check it out. Coming out of the motor, I'm going into that little controller right there. There's my frequency adjust. That's what I need. I need positive control over the frequency with this setup here, instead of just one frequency, because right now I've got a one frequency here for low speed and a frequency here for high speed, and I need to adjust that like I can here. So let's just see how this little thing does. I'm going to run it off 12 volts. Let's go ahead and plug it in. Nice strong signal out of the motor. That's just barely turned up at all. I can go way higher than that. So let's just leave it right there. Let's see how much voltage I'm making. Let's see if I can connect that up real quick. So at this speed, I'm making 11.2 volts. Let's crank it up just a little bit. $15.6. I'm running on 12. I'm making 15.6. See if we can take it up just a little bit higher. It wants to move all over the place. 18 volts. Alright, so it'll run no problem on an ordinary, regular 3-phase motor controller. But for some reason, this 3-phase, and that's with no big caps or anything. Look at this power supply I'm using. So for some reason, I've got to review this circuit and make sure everything is where it should be. The only thing that might not is on the negative side, but I don't have control over this resistance. I just have two modes of resistance right there. So I really need a frequency generator instead of an Arduino. I need a frequency generator that I can drive my gate with on the IC to drive the transistors for a higher powered setup here. So that's what I'm thinking. I gotta mount that down so it's not vibrating everywhere. Then I can get some high speeds out of it. I can probably get 60 volts out of it, because that's what I had this generator putting out when I had it connected before to just a regular 18 volt motor. So this should be way more efficient. Even with that driver, this should be way more efficient, and I can take amp readings off of this wire right here, and we can see what the difference is between that and that output versus input. So